Alright guys, we're here at Thornley Forest 2 boat landing and ramp. I'm here on a weekday right now. Hey, there's a ton of parking that's out here for y'all. So just understand that on a weekend, there's not going to be a whole lot of parking. And the residents don't want you parking up and down the road all over the place. So just be mindful of that. There's a lot of other boat ramps that are around the lake. If you don't know of any that are close by, check my channel. I got a series going to tell you about those landings. So if you get here too late on a weekend, you need somewhere else to go, you can check on that. If you get here on a Sunday, you better get here before church lets out, or else it's going to be empty. I ain't telling you to skip church. Don't you skip church. But if you do, you better get here before like 10 or 11. It's going to get packed. Saturday, absolutely packed. Weekdays, it's fine. Just understand that there's not a whole lot of people here. It's going to be looking after your stuff. There's a house that's over there. So if there's going to be a thief out here, y'all better look out, because y'all know most people around here are armed. So don't be, I think you're just a Russian roulette to be stealing from outdoorsmen. By the way, do you know the DNR says that 90% of outdoorsmen are armed? That's who you're stealing from. You better not let one catch you.